Hey folks, this is Brian with Spacebound DIY. Tonight I'm going to be talking about how to find the parts that you need for your refrigerator once they're broken, specifically the doors. I've got two different ones here, one from my freezer and then another from my refrigerator. Set on top of the fridge for a while because I just didn't know which part to get. So tonight I'm going to show you how I figured out what part to get and how you can too. Alright, so it can be kind of hard to find the label on your refrigerator, especially if it's been torn off, and you're never going to find it. But the part number that you need will actually be on the part itself. So there's a few different things printed on it. So you hand wash in warm water. There's some things over here, CPS, HIPS. What you're looking for is right here though, this number that starts with 240. In this case, 240-3516. It's for the freezer door shelf cover, I guess you would call it. There's another number underneath here, RT170039. Don't worry about the one that starts with the RT. That's the batch number that's used to identify defective batches, things like that. What you care about is the one that starts with the 240, and that's what you're going to plug in. If you want to help me out, if you want to use my link below in the description to search for that part on Amazon, it'll get you right to what you need, and it will also help us support the channel. Won't cost you any more, but it will help you to get where you need to go and help me as well. So that's really all there is to it. If this video helped you at all, I would appreciate it if you hit that like button, subscribe. Periodically I'll put these types of videos out showing you how to fix various things that I'm having to fix around my own house. Thanks a lot for watching. If you have any questions or you have a request for something else, drop it into the comments and I'll see what I can do to get back to you. Thanks.